All right. So Mercy is carving a small little crumb of Imbari stone she found in my scrap bin. This is beautiful stuff. She's going to turn it into a pendant, she says. It's just a tiny little thing. Put it down here so you can watch her work. She's starting out on the 100 since it's not soft material, but since it's unforgiving if you cut the wrong piece or grind it too quick. She's working that wheel, checking her progress, getting the general shape she wants. She'll move it on to the polishing stages. So for those of you that don't know, Victoria, or Imbari stone, was invented by a Japanese inventor, and it is amazing material. It is a synthetic made of natural materials. From what I understand and what I read, he basically created an artificial crystal bug and got these crystals to grow in there in a way that it gave it this pattern. It is stone. It is not plastic. So, when he died, he took the secret to his grave. His son couldn't recreate the process, nor has anybody else been able to come close since. The idea was he was trying to make, I guess, a man-made jade, but it is really amazingly pretty stuff. Even the smallest little scrap of it like this, I just set that aside. It was going to go to the tumbler, but Mercy found it. She hit me with the Uncle Sean, so I said, okay, fine. So, she's working on it. Mercy, what do you think about it?
It's really gorgeous.
Yeah?
Yeah.
To make a real pretty pendant,
got a gorgeous pattern right here along the spine.
What do you think? And maybe a gold fitting to go on the end of it? Maybe, yeah. Put a gold fitting up on top.
Yeah, I think gold would go better than silver.
Yeah. So that's what she's working on. So I'm going to zoom out here. And I got Wyatt and Trevor around the corner here. We got saw action going on here. We're still cutting thunder eggs. Decided I'm going to wait on the oil until I'm done with the thunder eggs, because the Ryland messes it up. Did a scoop out the other day, got the heavy sediment, added a little fresh oil. As you can tell, it doesn't really make much of a difference. So with oil, a lot of people don't know this, but I put it in a bucket and I let it settle out. And all the impurities will eventually fall to the bottom. And then I scoop out the good oil on top and I reuse it. The bucket just slowly fills up with sludge. So Trevor's over here. Say hi to YouTube, Trevor.
Hello.
Trevor is working on a stone that he's cutting a side face on. He's changing the angle. These are plastic, not plastic, sorry, they're actually glass. And the idea is you can use them to learn. So rather than have the kids cutting up a bunch of super good stuff to learn, we're going to let them learn on something a little more forgiving. But still cuts a beautiful stone when it's done. He's doing every 3. So he's making 3 clicks up here on this device. So he'll rotate that 3 clicks, grind, rotate 3 clicks. He's got the settings locked in right there. And he's just going back and forth, nice and slow, not putting too much pressure. Grinding it down until it touches, and I think you're there, Trevor. So he's going to rotate it again. So he's going to rotate 1, 2, 3. There he goes. And let's give him the side profile cut that he's wanting. He's going to start to cut all the wastewater. We've got it tapped, is draining down into the bucket. We're going to need to add a little more water into our dispenser here in a minute. But it is working fantastic. Not bad for a bunch of amateurs learning. So we got those two pieces going at the rock shop tonight. White's over here just keeping his buddy company.
What did you do to the chair?
I may have sat in the chair with my big butt and destroyed it.
Isn't the first one out?
All right.
He sat down in the chair and invited.
So over here, we're almost done cutting here. Cutting for a few minutes. I was hoping to pull it out and show you. I guess I can back it off a tick. But I got some cool stuff going. Yeah, we're due for a major water clean out. It'll probably happen tomorrow. Got the shape down to where you got the nicks out of it, ready to move to the next wheel while you still have something left?
Yeah.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and switch to the next wheel. Out. Move the water first. Starting to see the shine coming out already, and she hasn't even hit the polishing stage. Look at how beautiful dark blue that is. Well guys, I was hoping to show you something on the saw. Give me just a minute. Oh, good thing we looked in there. So, what? Okay, hold on one second. All right, we're in the rock shop. Mercy came tonight, pick up her finished piece now that the glue is set. Mercy, tell us about your piece.
What's the stone again?
This is Embari stone or Victoria stone, whichever you want to call it.
Okay, it's Embari stone, and I cut it, what, 4 days ago? Yeah, 4 days ago. And then we put it on this and put a chain on it.
Right on. So, why did you select that stone?
I was just rummaging through and I found it and it looked gorgeous and I was right.
All right. And it was hard to do, or was it easy?
Kind of hard. I grabbed my fingers.
So that didn't hurt. It's just you put your finger too close to the wheel and wore off some skin?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, would you do it again?
Yeah.
All right. So now you have a really beautiful piece. This is actually a very expensive stone, but she found a little chip of it and we let her carve it, and she has her own little special treasure now. It is from the Rock Dad Rock Shop. So we're going to let her take it home tonight.